Hi, Wes Scott from LifeBack Law Firm. Today we're going to talk about LifeBack Law Firm, if I could spit it out, continuing pursuit to stop law firms from committing geographic origin fraud. In other words, what is that? Well, it's this, law firms setting up these locations, and they're not bona fide law offices, okay? And a bona fide law office, as you can imagine, has staff, has an attorney who typically visits the location, that is open to the public to come in, on a weekly basis, right? As opposed to an office that the real purpose of the location seems to be to generate leads and nothing more. It's not a bona fide office. It's simply a closet, and the lights are never on. We play this game of, hey, look at us. We lease this closet. And to the public, it can look like it's a bona fide office, which of course is the goal. So the goal is to look bona fide, even though it's not a bona fide office. And that's the game that's being played, and we're gonna continue to put a stop to it. There's things coming up here in 2025, which will make, I think, a deep impact on that and put a stop to this nonsense. It's a slimy tactic. It's dishonest. And as lawyers, we're supposed to be protecting the public, and not engaged in slimy business tactics that injure the public. I mean, and I've gone to the Minnesota Professional Responsibility Board, and just there's just nothing there. I mean, it's just we've seen throughout the years, lawyers in Minnesota having, offices at an intersection. We've seen lawyers pretend to have an office in a storage facility. We've seen lawyers pretend to have offices in all kinds of locations. And when you go there, there's nothing. I mean, yeah, there's a sign there, but the door is locked, the lights are off. I mean, it's just, and you can repeatedly go there and find the same thing. So we'll continue our quest to put a stop to this monkey business in Minnesota. And that's what LifeBack Law Firm does, is we protect our clients. And for example, our Google reviews are authentic. We don't have software that generates Google reviews. We don't try to gate bad reviews. There are law offices that do this kind of stuff, and I think it's slimy. I just think it's completely dishonest. When the time is right, when you're ready to get your life back, reach out to Minnesota's most kind and helpful bankruptcy law firm right here at LifeBack Law Firm. You're going to be so thankful you did.